So we're back with another brand new product from JLab. It's been a while since we covered some of their stuff, but these are their Go Pop ANCs. Their Go lineup is like kind of their entry level lineup, but these are not just entry level headsets. These are really high end buds that feature not only clear calls with noise cancellation effects with phone calls with other people, taking out the background but keeping your voice, but they also have active noise cancellation for your regular listening use, as well as an additional setting of be aware so that you can kind of hear around you if you want to activate as well. These devices also give you 7 hours of playtime on the earbuds, but you can, when paired with the actual charging case, get that up to 24, which is really cool. So let's open up these boxes. Once again, you are working specifically with JLabs and their 100% recycled packaging material, which is really cool. I'm a huge fan of that. A lot of their products, almost all of them, come with that really cool packaging. So they're also available in like these really awesome kind of colors. This is just a black and blue, but they do have other ones available as well. Here we go. And you've got a little manual with instructions of how to use the devices, information about the charging case. And then you have the actual charging case here, which again, very small, very low profile, easily fits in your pocket. And then if you pull out here, push in. They have a collection of ear tips that you can use to adjust to fit your ear best. Also, the case carries with it a cord for plug-in, really easy to use. On the go, USB-C, storage right in there. And the devices are really low profile and nice. So you can see here, just fits in great. Also, the devices have IPS6 sweat and splash proof protection. And you pull that tab out there and it'll start being able to actually charge the headphones. This one here, exactly the same, by the way, but just want to compare color options. These are going to be great for, say, for instance, stocking stuffers this holiday season, which is really nice. Or if you just know someone who's active and on the go and just really wants like a good set of headphones, JLab always makes some really amazing products. Once again, you've got your additional earbud pieces. Yeah, another really cool feature is, and I do talk about it in here, the app, which you can use to adjust the type of hearing that you're using, the quality and the style, and get like things like signature, C3 signature sound, best for pop, rock, country, and electric. They have balanced, which is best for like podcasts, audiobooks, and classical. Bass boosts for like hip hop, electronic, sport, fitness songs, and then just customize your EQs through the app and adjust it the way that fits your sound needs, which is really awesome. Again, they are really comfortable and easily fit into the ears and already ready to go. So yeah, let's actually play some music off these. We'll pick that up with the microphone and we'll show you what that kind of sounds like coming from these. We'll be right back. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. Hopefully you guys picked that up for yourself. We will see you guys next time.